Hello, my name's Phil. I'm from Caracalla Design and Renovations. I've been designing and renovating bathrooms and kitchens for over 20 years now. And in this video, I want to go through with you a few details to be considered when renovating, and also point out some potential mistakes that should be avoided. In my experience, I strongly believe that the very first step to a successful renovation project is a site meeting with both designer and client. It's only on site, standing in the actual room to be remodeled, that everyone can truly start to grasp the overall brief of what's really required in relation to both form and function. This is where your best ideas and solutions are going to come together. After such a meeting, your designer would get back to you with a preliminary design concept. This will make it so much easier in selecting the right type of products for your particular project, and also assist in maintaining a strong focus on the continuity of style and finish that will be in keeping with your existing home. When it comes to kitchen design, always think function first. So spending some time in putting together a clear and concise criteria of all your requirements will go a long way in assisting your designer to come up with the best design proposal for you. Selecting the perfect finishes for your walls, floors, cabinetry and bench tops is also a really important part of the design process, and your designer should be able to guide, assist or even lead you through this. However, it's important that your designer knows just as much about kitchen hardware as they do about colours, textures and finishes, because at the end of the day, it's all about how things pop open, push in, pull out and turn around that will make any kitchen the perfect working space for you. Finally, always keep in mind it's those unique little details all combined together to create that interesting point of difference that will give any project that real wow factor. So if you're considering a renovation, why not give me a call and let's create something spectacular together.